Hi, welcome to my channel, Science Behind It. Today let's see how to make a perfect hot chocolate. The origin of drinking chocolate is believed to have been created by the people of Maya. Around 3,000 years ago, a cocoa drink was an essential part of Aztec culture by 1400 AD. The Mayans consumed chocolate by first harvesting the cocoa beans from cacao trees. They fermented and dried it, roasted and removed its outer shells, and ground it into unsweetened chocolate paste. Now this paste is called as unsweetened baking chocolates or chocolate liquor. The basic processing methods of making chocolate remains unchanged until now. The original hot chocolate recipe made by Mayan was a mixture of ground cocoa beans, water, wine, and chili peppers. Now let's see some Proffesional Barista hot chocolate recipe. Hot chocolate is an essential menu item for almost every cafe or coffee shops. What are the main ingredients? Chocolate syrup, whole milk, whipped light cream, and chocolate drizzle. Chocolate syrup is made by chocolate liquor, water and sugar. Chocolate liquor is the ground cocoa nibs containing liquid cocoa butter with cocoa particles suspended throughout. Do you know the difference between hot chocolate and hot cocoa? Hot chocolate is basically the melted chocolate mixed with either hot water or milk. Hot cocoa, as the name suggests, is made from cocoa powder, sugar and milk. We would learn more about hot chocolate the next episode. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.